Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you delete your Steam account. If you want to delete your Steam account, then you have to first of all open up your Steam launcher. After you're logged in, then you want to click on the profile initials from the top of the page. Then you want to simply go ahead and click on account details, which is right in between. And as you go to account details, you simply want to scroll down a bit when you have these account details section. You could see this section as delete my Steam account. You want to press that out. It will then take you to these thing. So how it actually works, you could just go ahead and read that out. Now then, you just need to go ahead and verify ownership of the account, and Steam support will respond to your request, and your account will be locked and then deleted in 30 days. So if you're sure about it and if you've read the terms and conditions, you want to proceed to account deletion. Now then, you just need to go ahead and enter in your account details as you've mentioned here. And afterwards, you could go ahead and add a description if you want. You could also attach a file, all that, and click on the send button, and after which follow on the on-screen prompt. And with that being said, you'll have successfully deleted your Steam account. So this is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.